Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Everybody hearing me?
Yes, ma'am. It's audible.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, it's audible. Fine. Thank you. Okay. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to webinar presented by Aptiplus Academy for Civil Services. Before moving ahead, wish you all safe and healthy New Year. I would like to throw some lights on the mission and vision of the Aptiplus Academy. Aptiplus Academy was established in the year 2006 with the vision to be the center of excellence and mission of mentoring, nurturing, and producing maximum numbers of civil service aspirants from Eastern India. And within a decade, Academy emerged as one of the leading coaching institutes in India. The institute has been producing phenomenal result year after year in Indian Administrative Services, Odisha Administrative Services, West Bengal Civil Services. Recently, UPSC declared the Civil Service 2020 final result, and Aptiplus has outsourced it by 53 selection, out of which 13 selection are in top 100. Jivani Karthik Nagjivani, All India rank 8, Pulakit Singh, All India rank 26, Prabhakar Kumar Singh, All India rank 29, Jubin Mahapatra, All India rank 46, Jayant Nahat, All India rank 56, and many more. Recently, OPSC declared the OAS final result. Out of that, Aptiplus result is 199 out of 153. The top 3 rankers, Ashwini Kumar Panda, rank 1, Ankur Avilas, rank 2, and Rasmi Rekha Patra, rank 3. They all belong from Aptiplus itself. And now, I would like to introduce our eminent speaker, Miss Manasmita Maharana, OFS rank 2 and OAS rank 45. She was one of the aspirant of Aptiplus in 2017. And more importantly, she was the regular students of Aptiplus Academy. I'm sure it will be an interactive session. So if you have any query, please comment in the down or chat in the box. Subject for the webinar is how to crack civil service preparation. So now I'm welcoming to Ms. Manasmita. Kindly share your experience.
Thank you, madam, for your kind words. Please let me know, am I audible properly?
Yes, ma'am. It's clearly audible.
Yes, it's audible.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Hello, everyone. I am Manasmita Marana. I have secured rank 2 in Odisha Forest Service and rank 45 in Odisha Civil Service this year, 2019. Today, we are here for discussing about civil service. I would like to say that this will be a foundation discussion for civil service, and here you can know what is civil service, why civil service, and what is the strategy, what is the shortcut strategy for civil service. Because madam and sir when told me to attend this session, I thought that what I will share with you, but I am here to say about uh, career after your graduation, post graduation, and if you will join the civil service, what is your strategy. Okay, then let us start. Please let me know that it is visible properly or not. My PPT is visible, please.
Yes, it's visible.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. This is about seminar on career in civil service. Now, students are here who are doing graduation or post graduation, but after post graduation, they might decide that what we will go after this. So, if you choose for civil service, then I want to say that if you join civil service, or why you will join civil service. And I want to highlight some points. Yes, all of you know, civil service all is about power. When you will join as a IAS, IPS, IFS or IRS or other officers, if you have power, you sit in a position in central government where you will will be a part of the implementation of different schemes, how government is working in different field, how government is working for people, what are the strategies of government taking for the development of the people. Yes, you will be in a power to implement it, to know about this, to implement this, and to apply your innovation or motivation to work for the people. This is first thing is power, then is position. You will be surely in a higher position, and after your promotion, you will after 10 to when you join civil service, and after 10 to 12 years, you will be in a position where close to ministerial rank, where you implement the policies, and your policies will be implemented by the ministers. So you will be a position in a central government, or you will be a part of the implementation of different schemes in the central level. Then next is this is a service where you can positively affect the lives of the normal people. I want to share one of my experience that when in a block level, one of my friend appointed as a ADM. So when he just entered the office, then around 40 to 50 people will come and surround him. Even surround him and just say that this is my problem, this is my problem. And so my friend tried to solve their problem one by one. So we can surely tell that this is a service where you can positively affect the lives of people. And walking in a broader field, here you can walk in a broader field, you can affect the people, lives of the people in different sphere, like their financial, you can work to develop their financial position, you can work to solve their land issues, you can work to solve their court, if they have any court problems, their personal problems, their development, their job problems, etc. You can work in different fields of people, which will require for the all-round development of people. Then this is a field to showcase the innovation. I can share one example here. Madam Tina Dabi, I think 2014 or 15 topper. She is working in Rajasthan. Some schemes have government have implemented some schemes, and as a district collector, Tina Dabi ma'am has the power to implement how to make people aware of this and how to bring people to the mainstream. So she used their own schemes. How can people come and be aware of what is going on in different spheres of government level, and how can people be involved in this? So this is your field to showcase innovation, but you can incorporate your own strategy to implement the government scheme. And surely this is a field where this is a years, around 3 to 4 years, 2 to 3 years. Corona is just coming in every year, so this is a service for job security. Sure, it's a job security, it gives you job security, then handsome package and respect. IS officer is coming, IPS officer is coming, IRS officer is coming, or IFS officer, or any other service, central government, that respect you can't or respect you will get more than other services only. This is a foundation why civil service you will join after the graduation or post graduation. You think to join a different sphere, but if you will join civil service, these are the plus points you will get in this particular job. Next, I want to give a total view of civil service. What is it all about? How this exam is going on, and what are the different stages? So this occurs in 3 stages: prelims, mains, and interview. In prelims, in UPSC, in central level, civil service is conducted by UPSC, and in Odisha, it is by OPSC. So 3 stages both in OPSC and UPSC. So in civil service, there are 3 stages like prelims, mains, and interview. In prelims, for UPSC, there is 2 papers, GS1 and GS2. GS1, this is all about your history, geography, environment, economics, polity, other current affairs, etc. And GS2, which is only qualifying, that includes the math, reasoning, and English. this is in second paper, you need to keep only 33%, which will help to qualify the exam. If you qualify in the GS2 paper, that is math, reasoning, and in English part, then your copy will be eligible for evaluation. The GS1 copy will be eligible for evaluation. So this is GS2 paper is only qualifying in the prelims level. If you qualify in GS2 paper, then your GS1 paper will be evaluated, and in GS1 paper, cutoff will come around. If I'll say about the OPSC, then around 200 out of 200 marks, you need to give 110, 115. This will be enough for prelims, passing of the prelims exam. And in UPSC similarly, 200 marks you need to give, you need to secure around 110 around, then you will be qualified for the mains. Then GS1 200 marks, there are 100 questions, each one is 2 marks, so total 200 marks. And GS2 there is 80 questions and 200 marks. So this is the foundation where first step which you will need to pass to continue or to enter into the field or career of the civil service. Okay, first prelims you need to pass, or you need to cross this for the selection for the mains. If you are selected in the prelims, then you will go for the mains. Mains, there are 4 papers in UPSC, and in OPSC there are 2 papers. In GS1, GS2, GS3, GS4, each one carries 250 marks full. In OPSC, total 250 marks, and the syllabus which are coming in mains different paper will come later. Then interview, if you are selected for the mains, then you need to prepare interview well, because interview is all about your personal attitude, how you can handle different risky situations. They will ask about this is the condition, and this is the conditions with how you can tackle this. Normally they ask about your view about different situations. Interview is all about your personal things, and different static and current affairs things we need to update it for interview. Then go for syllabus one by one. This is all about the static syllabus, which you will first cover. First cover for prelims, mains, and interview. This will form the basing on which you can go over. So first is history. In history, there are 3 parts: modern history, ancient, and medieval history. For ancient and medieval, I refer Tamil Nadu textbook, and for other people refer NCERT book, our NCERT CBSE NCERT book. But you can refer Tamil Nadu textbook, because I will. Please give me some time. Sorry for the inconvenience. Actually, phone would ask the problem. Okay. This is history. First part is history. I already said out that there are 3 parts: modern India, ancient, and medieval India. For modern India, you need to refer Spectrum book. There is a book Spectrum by Spectrum. So you need to go through all of the chapters of modern India. Then ancient India, medieval. Ancient and medieval, amara CBSE board ro NCERT achi hote. So seita refer kari paria, or Tamil textbook ro hote book achi. So we can refer that 11th and 12th NCERT book of our CBSE board or Tamil Nadu textbook. Then this is all about the history. Then geography. For geography, हम NCERT, और एक बात मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि NCERT act as a base for the civil service. Okay, when you just decide to prepare for civil service, you need to have all the books of NCERT, either soft copy or hard copy. Online books are also available. You can buy from old bookstore also. You can purchase from online also. So NCERT तो मतलब सिविल सर्विस का बेस है. हम जैसे क्या हमारे घर में गीता रख के पढ़ते हैं ना, तो NCERT सिविल सर्विस का उसी तरह का बेस है. तो NCERT हमारे पास रहना ही रहना है जो सिविल सर्विस प्रिपेयर करते हैं. Next is environment. For environment, Shankar IAS book is coming. Online book is also available. You can download PDF. You can purchase. Also, you can you can take print out of the PDF. But Shankar IAS book is mandatory for environment part. Next is science. For science, we all know that physics, chemistry, bio is that 3 different parts. And so physics, so we need to cover up to 10th and 12th of NCERT. In chemistry also, then similar thing bio also. And addition to this, recent development about what are the science and what are the developments are taking place in different spheres of science and what science and technology, what government of India is taking initiatives for development of the people, for incorporation of scientific mind, what department of biotechnology is doing, what department of space is doing, what different innovations in nanotechnology. There are different concepts like IVF is there, then space, different DRDO, NASA, different Hubble Space Telescope, James Space. What are the different innovations and new things are coming out in science and tech sphere? This will come under science part. Next is economics part. Similar thing as I said, NCERT base है. तो NCERT का हम सब syllabus cover करने के बाद जो add on होता है वो budget and economic survey है. बजट हमारा हर साल हमारा आता है, जो इंडिया में जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया पुट करता है बजट, जो नेक्स्ट साल कितना कितना फाइनेंस हमें किस तरह किस डिपार्टमेंट के लिए चाहिए, किस तरह स्कीम के लिए चाहिए, मतलब व्हाट आर गवर्नमेंट इज डूइंग फॉर यूथ, व्हाट आर गवर्नमेंट इज कंट्रीब्यूटिंग और एलोकेटिंग फॉर द यूथ डेवलपमेंट, what government is allocating for the child development, what Ministry of Health and Family Welfare receiving from the central government, what is states are receiving for the central. This all come under budget part. Next is economic survey. Economic survey is about what government has already taken in previous year. Okay, previous year, or what will government take in next year. This is all about economic survey. That two volume is coming in economic survey. So government is putting this. So economic survey, all the government documents, what are the government documents are available in different in net or ministry website are helpful for us. Are helpful. So keep an eye on this. Next is polity. Polity, for polity, all of you know. I don't know if as you was just going to start. So polity, for polity, Lakshmikant is just a Bible, like Bible. Lakshmikant, we need to study all of the polity syllabus will come in just one book. We need to study different like our governor, our president, our prime minister, our council of ministers, our chief ministers, our panchayat raj, municipality, about our constitution, our fundamental rights, fundamental duty, DPSP, different things are like special status to difference about northeastern states, our relations with different our neighboring states, etc. This will all come in Lakshmikant in polity part, which we will need to cover and from Lakshmikant book. Then some miscellaneous things are there, like important organization like RBI, FCI, and their headquarters, their internal relations. Internal relations means our relations, our country relation with different neighboring states. Okay, how is the relation with Pakistan, with Sri Lanka, with China, with Bangladesh, with Afghanistan? Because India is a country which is surrounded by different neighboring countries. So around 8 neighboring countries. So because if anything is happen in our neighboring country, then this will happen in our country. So we need to be care about different our relation with different countries. So internal relation is a major part in our civil service syllabus, and miscellaneous things are there in current development, current affairs, etc. This is all about the static syllabus of general studies for civil service. This is not about only prelims or only main. This is all about civil service. Okay, if when you just decided I will go to prepare for civil service, for this first we need to list out what are the books I need to purchase, what are the printout I need to take, what are the source I will refer. First make a list. Okay, then after this decide, then buy online. Our books are available easily. Just first, if you decided that I will prepare for civil service, and next year prepare the list what are things I will do, then just first purchase Spectrum, Sankar IAS, and Lakshmikant. 3 books are first just essential for starting the service. That is preparation. So Spectrum book, buy a Spectrum book by Modern India Spectrum book, then Sankar IAS book, and Lakshmikant book. Then after this, try to find all the NCERTs from the old bookstore, because you from old bookstore you can get all this thing, because when I started preparation after my post graduation 2017, I collected all the NCERTs, and NCERTs now at that time easily available from the market. And some part, if it is not available, 7 print, they will give the print. Okay, so just go and buy all this. Okay, and if I will say in Bhubaneswar, ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରରେ ମାର୍କେଟ ବିଲ୍ଡିଂ ପାଖରେ ଗୋଟେ ଏନ୍ ବୁକ୍ ଷ୍ଟୋର ଅଛି ଯୋଉଠି ସବୁ ବୁକ୍ସ ଆଭେଲେବଲ ଥାଏ. You can get the number, and also master canteen जो अच्छी बुक स्टोर सब प्रज्ञान सेट में सब बुक्स अवेलेबल थे. यदि कुछ भी अगर नहीं मिल रहा है ना तो जस्ट कांटेक्ट हिम एंड वेयर दे विल से कि कहाँ मिलेगा क्या नहीं. अगर नहीं भी मिलना है ना वो तो 1-2 दिन में ला के भी दे देंगे. और जो भी और एक बात मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ, जब मैंने प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट किया था उसने मैंने डिसाइड किया था कि सब तो दिल्ली जा रहे हैं, मतलब प्रिपरेशन सिविल सर्विस प्रिपरेशन का दिल्ली एक होस्ट है, मतलब वहाँ इतना मतलब वो जगह इतना अच्छा है, मतलब जो भी जाएगा वो अगर घूमने भी जाएगा ना, वो राजेंद्र नगर घूमने भी जाएगा ना तो पढ़ने का मतलब इससे पढ़ने का एक मोटिवेशन क्रिएट होगा. तो वहां पर स्टूडेंट्स जाते हैं, देखते हैं, मतलब एक न्यूज़पेपर को 4-5 लड़के से घेर के देते हैं. तो वो माहौल भी क्रिएट हो गया सिविल सर्विस के लिए. तो उसी टाइम में थोड़ा कंफ्यूज थी कि मैं यहाँ प्रिपरेशन करूंगी और जाऊंगी दिल्ली. तो कंफ्यूजन पे मैंने ऐसे भुवनेश्वर में जो भी इंस्टीट्यूट्स है वहां पे देखा, तो लास्ट मैंने एप्टी प्लस से ज्वाइन किया था. तो एप्टी प्लस में सब कुछ एक स्टूडेंट के लिए ऑल अराउंड डेवलपमेंट, मतलब ऑल अराउंड डेवलप सिविल सर्विस में ऑल अराउंड डेवलप के जो भी चाहिए वो लोग करते हैं. अगर तुम किसी भी चैप्टर में वहाँ कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम है, वो डाउट क्लियरिंग के लिए 3-4 क्लास भी करते हैं. अगर फर्स्ट डाउट क्लियरिंग क्लास में तुम्हारा सॉल्व नहीं हो रहा है ना, तो सेकंड डाउट क्लियरिंग पे करेंगे, वो फैकल्टीज को अरेंज करेंगे, क्लास देंगे, सब कुछ करेंगे, बस स्टूडेंट को पढ़ना है. बट आपको भी थोड़ा बहुत जैसे इंस्टीट्यूट वाले अपना फोर्स अपना सब कुछ लगा रहे हैं, तो आपको भी कुछ लगाना चाहिए. We just if you decide to prepare for civil service, then block you for 2 years. Okay, just get a room or get a space where you can keep your books. You can join library. You can arrange a corner of your room or corner of your home of a family where you can keep your books. Where you can study at least around 10 to 12 hours, or you can maximize this after coaching. I'll say after coaching, or what are the things some students are there which who will prepare your academic and both your competitive both your civil service cycle. So they need to prepare the timetable first. Okay, if we are PG, I mean when I am PG career, so then I decided कि वो preparation करेंगे ये पे, तो same time पे वो time setting कर देती. Actually मोर PG थी ला biotech रे, तो मतलब time की मतलब ना करना lab का होता है. PG biotechnology, all of you know, I don't know you, biotech is all about the lab work. So lab का हमारा पूरा थी. तो मतलब टाइम पे आफ्टर 5 or 6, तो मु 5 or 6 करे मासिक रेस्ट के करे, रेस्ट कला पर मु टाइम हाउ आई कैन यूज my rest of the time from 6 to 7 to 7 p.m. to 12 to 1 p.m. how I can use in just maximum productive way. So I take I prepare a timetable. 1 hour this subject, 1 hour this subject, 2 hour this subject. In the meantime, just half an hour just going around, then again sitting for the study. So decide in your mind. I took around 4 years to crack this. Okay, I failed into OPSC, then this is my third attempt. This is not my first attempt, this is my third attempt. So if you decide something in your mind and no one, your family pressure will be there, your financial pressure will be there, your friend pressure will be there. If you see that most of my friends are just getting job and handsome salary, and I am here in a room. I was sitting whole day just going through the books. Don't think like this. Okay, my different friends are like they prefer different job, and they'll get, some friends get job early and you will get late. So don't worry about this. the मुझे कुछ करना है, अगर मुझे कुछ करना है ना, मैं तो हर हाल में करूंगी, तो डिसाइड करके जाना है और ये होगा भी. डोंट स्टॉप इन मिडिल, ओके, तुमने लास्ट तक ही जाना है। तो मैं एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहूंगी लास्ट ईयर इन 2000 ओपीएससी 2018 जब मेरा नहीं हुआ मेंस में, वो सेकंड मेंस था, जब नहीं हुआ तो ମୁଁ डिसाइड कली कि ମୁଁ देबेनी आउ देबेनी बहुत हे गेला देबेनी आउ किछि प्रिपेयर करबी। तो वो फ्रेंड्स मैंने मत एक्चुअली कहले कि नेक्स्ट दे दियो, तो एक्सपीरियंस हे गेला तमे जानिलो नि कोन क्वेश्चंस डिमांड एग्जाम रे डिमांड कर दे दियो। तो वो प्रिपेयर कली देली अब सेही टाइम ही हे गेला। तो मोर एठी आई वांट टू हाइलाइट वन थिंग दैट जदि मु सेही रहि जाई थांती 2018 रो रिजल्ट परे कि मु बहुत अपसेट थी, बहुत डिस्टर्बिंग थी जब मु रहि जाई 2019 रिजल्ट मोर हे नथला। सो मेंटेन दैट मेंटेन दैट consistency, like be your own motivator every day. Okay, no one will motivate you. After some time your family will put pressure on you, your friends you will pressure on you, so be your own motivator. Okay, so this is all about your static syllabus for the general starting. Okay. I want to highlight here what are the syllabus in preliminary examination. This is for the prelim. Okay, GS1. I already said what are the basic books. From the basic books, current events of national and international importance. This is about the current affair. What are the different things happening in national? What are the different things? What the government is taking? What are the government? What are the schemes government is taking for different thing? International importance. So what government is doing for improvement of a relation with Pakistan, with China, with Afghanistan, what Bangladesh. There I will comment the current events of national and international importance. Next is history of India and Indian national. This part you will get in modern history book. So this spectrum book is enough for the modern history preparation. Next is Indian world geography, physical, social, economic geography, etc. The world, this geography part in for this you need to cover the 10th and 12th NCERT book. Then Indian polity, governance, constitution, political system, etc. These things you will all of the things will get from Indian polity by Locke Speaker book. Then economic and social development. This part is economy part. You basic things you need to cover from the NCERT. Then different government schemes. Economic survey budget will suffice this. Then general issues and environmental ecology, biodiversity, climate change that don't require subject specialization. You need to know the term. What are the terms? Okay. I want to highlight that there is a term ecotone. Okay. Ecotone is an environmental term. Some of you might know about this ecotone. Ecotone is a zone of it's a zone of junction between two ecosystems. Okay. एग्जाम्पल मैं देना चाहूंगी यहाँ पर हमारे हम जब इससे गांव में कुछ भी जाते हैं ना, पानी होता है और लैंड पार्ट होता है। पानी और लैंड का जो मिडिल पार्ट है वो क्या होता है? एक ऐसा होता है जो पानी और मॉडी एरिया होता है ना, तो वो जोन ऑफ जंक्शन है। दो पानी एक इकोसिस्टम है, वाटर एक इकोसिस्टम है। पानी में जो एनिमल्स पानी में रह सकते हैं वो रहते हैं, लैंड में जो टेरेस्ट्रियल एनिमल्स वो रहते हैं। वो दोनों का इकोसिस्टम जो मिडिल पार्ट का जंक्शन होता है ना, मॉडी एरिया जो होता है, तो वो इकोटोन है। तो इकोटोन हाइफन इट इज अ जोन ऑफ जंक्शन बिटवीन टू इकोसिस्टम। एग्जांपल वाटर और एक्वेटिक एरिया। एक्वेटिक मींस वाटर पार्ट, मिडिल एक गैप देना है, नेक्स्ट पार्ट टेरेस्ट्रियल पार्ट, सो मिडिल पार्ट इज द इकोटोन। दिस इज सिंपल थिंग्स and example here. This is also okay ecotone. This is a thing. Okay, this is also crisp. This will make your note crisp. Okay, these are those. So here already UPSC mentioned that don't require subject specialization. So only the things you need to know. What are the concepts and what are the examples and what are the you can relate to the current example. Okay, next is general science part. General science like physics, chemistry, bio, and this and development. This is all about your prelim examination syllabus for paper 1. And next part is the qualifying paper. For qualifying paper, I already told that English, math, and reasoning. Three things are there. So in English, they only ask about the paragraph. There will be a paragraph, and next below paragraph there will be a question. need to read the paragraph and answer that question. Next for math, all of you know that form like ratio, proportion, average, age, mixture and allegation, etc. etc. These are the subjects. And then reasoning, the syllabus means like blood relation, etc. That the syllabus of reasoning they will come under the this. And your general mental ability, decision making and problem solving, basic numeracy, like numbers, the relations, order of magnitude, class 10 level. Already mentioned it is up to class 10 level, but don't worry about this because if it will be in 11 and 12, there is derivation, integration, etc. higher level, they will not go up to class level. This is just suffice your math preparation. Means that GS paper 2 preparation. Okay, this is all about prelim exam. Okay. Then I will go for other something. If you have any question, just ask after this.
Kindly ask if anyone any doubt.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening.
Ma'am, do I need to ask for only for prelims or for mains also? Can I ask now or after you will finish the regarding the mains?
Your voice is not audible properly. Please repeat it.
Okay, ma'am. Can I ask for mains now or after you will finish regarding the mains syllabus? Then I will ask.
Actually, when you just decide prepare for UPSC, make an integrated preparation. Okay. That book I mentioned about history, geography, etc. This will form your base for both prelims and mains. So when you decide for civil preparation, don't think कि I will मतलब मैं अभी prelims के लिए prepare करूँगी अभी mains के लिए prepare ऐसा मत सोचना है. तो हम प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं तो हमारा जो बेसिक बुक्स है वो बोथ प्रीलिम्स और मेंस के लिए तो हमें वो पहले से एक वी नीड टू प्रिपेयर इन इंटीग्रेटेड वे तो कुछ भी मेंस के लिए करना है कुछ भी प्रीलिम्स के लिए करना है तो फर्स्ट से ही वो उसी को करना है कुछ भी मतलब मेंस के लिए डाउट है मुझे कैसा करना है कैसा नहीं वी नीड टू क्लैरिफाई फ्रॉम बिफोर so by this by following this you need to prepare. So make an integrated preparations. Don't make it separate. Like if now I will prepare for the prelims, now I will prepare for the mains. Make an integrated integration of both of whole preparation.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what should be the right time to prepare for the optionals? Means after the pre or?
No, not free. I already said that when just start preparation,
Okay.
side by side decide the optional. For PSC actually, if are you from Odisha?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, then I want to highlight that for PSC ସେଠି ଦିଟା optional ଥାଏ
हाँ ma'am. हाँ.
ଦିଟା optional ଥାଏ ଆଉ UPSC ଗୋଟେ optional
हाँ ma'am.
ତ ଆମେ actually decide କରିବା କି ଆମ optionals ଗୋଟେ main optional ରହୁ ଯୋଉଠି ଆମେ ବେଶୀ time ଦେଇପାରିବା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ just adjacent ହେଇକି ରହୁ ଯୋଉଠି ଆମେ କମ time ରେ ବି ତାକୁ cover କରିପାରିବା actually ମୋ case ରେ ମୁଁ agriculture forest ନେଇଥିଲି OPSC ରେ related botany related okay agriculture से cover कर ली forest के part में first difficult होता but वो time देली हे गला plant related दिटा रो मु OPC first रे जो दिटा मोर attempt जाय जे सेठी मु agriculture botany नेथिली botany एथिबे नेथिली कि मोर agriculture botany syllabus are quite similar only 10% is different for botany so I decided to took agriculture and botany optional. So in this way you can take many of my friends they preferred sociology and home science. Most of them like to devote for sociology and home science is available. This is a thing like this are day-to-day happenings what are taking place in surround. So if this one calm time maybe set a preparation calling over. So
Ma'am, hello. Ma'am, forestry regarding forestry optional, how did you prepare? Take a guide for because more be forestry.
Forestry first things होची forest optional पे syllabus देखिबार अछि syllabus रे कोन कोन अछि गोटे एग्जाम ताको प्रिंटर में रखले अछि सेकंड एग्जाम 2006 to 2019 2006 7 8 9 जहां भी एग्जाम सब होची OPSC साइट रे previous questions are available. You need to download this, categorize each question syllabus wise and year wise and chapter wise. Okay, 2006 सिलेबस एई पार्ट को कोन क्वेश्चन आस्थिला थोड़ा 2007 में एई पार्ट को कोन क्वेश्चन आस्थिला तो वो मेक you can make your in soft format or hard copy format whatever you like but make a means a chapter ru forest laws and regulation गोटे chapter अछि तो 2006 में कोन क्वेश्चन आस्थिला 2007 में कोन क्वेश्चन सेटा गोटे बनेर अछि ना
ठीक है
एटा गोटे बनेर एटा फर्स्ट ला सिलेबस डाउनलोड करियो सेकंड होची क्वेश्चन को हमें कैटेगराइज करियो थर्ड जिंस बही कोन दरकार बुक्स को रेफर करियो मणिकंदन बुक होची सब किछ अछि से हमें जदी
हाँ, मैं-
कहला मणिकंदन बुक इज देयर which one book will suffice a whole syllabus
Okay.
each part extra nahi जोटा कि you need to update from the internet okay,
Okay.
don't skip any part of your syllabus OPS is all about syllabus and previous year question माने जहां भी syllabus रे हमर अछि जहां भी
Okay.
टर्म अछि गोटे टर्म रे एटलीस्ट हम पाखरे 1 or 2 पेज नोट रहे नहीं दरकार तो टर्म ऊपर भी क्वेश्चन आसीबो
Okay. Okay.
हेगला परे हम फर्स्ट सिलेबस कवर हेइछा तापर प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन रो मॉडल आंसर देखबा ट्राई करिया हमें नेट रेफर करि परिया बुक्स रेफर करि परिया आमो आंसर रेफर करि गोटे मॉडल आंसर जो प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन पढ़छि तो मॉडल आंसर देखे और सेटा को रिवाइज अगेन एंड अगेन तापर किछि एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन हमें करना फॉरेस्ट्री एक्चुअली 2 इयर्स डायनामिक एक्चुअली आसुछि तो किछि एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन यू आल्सो नीड टू प्रिपेयर सो जेमति जहां भी सिचुएशन हो प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन रिपीट भी हो किछि नुवा डायनामिक क्वेश्चन भी हो तो वी नीड टू प्रिपेयर फॉर ऑल
Okay, मैं
if there are any questions please anyone wants to
Good evening, ma'am.
okay good evening
Ma'am, my question is, which NCERT is more useful for preparation, old or new?
stick to old okay don't go for new stick to old
Okay, ma'am.
any questions
मैम
hmm.
मैम for answer writing how to develop the answer writing skills in a good manner
Okay. I want to specify. Okay, I want to specify for different for OPSC and different for UPSC. First for UPSC. UPSC is all about the current affairs. Okay, prepare your static and relate to that current affair. Questions are coming from the current affair and some questions from the static part. So when you start preparation after 1 month. You 1 month preparation ପରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଜାଣୁଛୁ କି syllabus କଣ ଅଛି ଆଉ question 1 month to 2 month around questions କେମିତି ଆସୁଛି ତ ସେ ଜାଣିଲା ପରେ ତ ଆମକୁ questions କୁ prepare କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ କେମିତି answer writing ଟା ସେଇ 2 month around ହିଁ start କର ଆମେ ଏମିତି ଭାବନି କି ମୋ ପଢା ସରୁ ମୁଁ syllabus cover କରେ then ମୁଁ answer writing କରିବି ସେ କେବେ ବି ଠିକ ନୁହଁ first ରୁ answer writing start କରିବାର ଅଛି first ଗୋଟେ question ଅଛି सबବେଳେ मेंटेन करा आईबीसी फॉर्मेट इंट्रोडक्शन बॉडी एंड कंक्लूजन फॉर्मेट फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन अछि से क्वेश्चन कोन इंपोर्टेंट हाइलाइटेड हमको क्वेश्चन कोन पचाछि लाइक यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड इज द कांसेप्ट ओके यदि क्वेश्चन यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड ऊपर अछि तो यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड को इंट्रोड्यूस कर आइदर यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड कोन गवर्नमेंट कौन पे आनी छी केबे आनी छी कौन एमती डिस्ट्रिक्ट इंट्रोड्यूस करो और रिसेंट किछि यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड ऊपर गवर्नमेंट किछि कहै छी सेमती करके इंट्रोड्यूस करो योर क्वेश्चन first introduction hegala introduction you can give definition of things you can put figures you can you just give an example of this and initiative kichi karke just introduce your concept what is question is asking about next is the body mantra always prefer you need to give your answer a attractive look okay. I prefer always flow diagram I put different just round one in a middle and just arrow mark etc. Yeah, this will be carry catching, eye catching. Sorry, eye catching. So
मैंने then हमें paragraph not in a paragraph manner but only in a point manner and like flow chart
the point तम किछि कंटेंट लिखुछ पॉइंट दियो बुलेट पॉइंट दियो और पॉइंट गुडा को क्रिस्प बनाओ इनते बड़ा बड़ा पॉइंट बनेले एग्जाम ना टिके ये हे जबो तो क्रिस्प बनाओ आउ एमती भी करा कि तम जहां से फ्लो चार्ट जाउ छ जहां साइड रे तमे ताको दे दियो कि हां रीजन ऑफ ए रिवोल्ट ऑफ 1857 ओके कॉजेस ऑफ रिवोल्ट ऑफ 1857 Goddess of 1857 तो economic reason political reason को मझे Goddess of 1850 को एक देखे भी Goddess of 1857 report है ना economic political एमती आरमार्क दिख चाहे लिखी तो तापर पर साइड economic reasons converging heading देखी point bullet point दिख जाता point political reason heading दे bullet दे चार पांच point ए मतलब पूरा हाई कैचिंग माने तुम्हें फ्लो चार्ट भी देलो तुम्हें डिस्क्राइब करो एमती नुह कि तुम सब कंटेंट में फ्लो चार्ट रो सेमती भी हबनी तो फ्लो चार्ट देले ना तुम थोड़ी बहुत हम डिस्क्राइब भी करिया पड़ो एटा होची बॉडी पार्ट तापर कंक्लूजन सब ट्राई करो गोटे कंसेप्ट ऑप्शनल हो कि जीएस हो गोटे कंक्लूजन तक दवा हो कि गवर्नमेंट इज डूइंग if it is about some government even some government scheme about if a question about development of women and child health etc so in conclusion you write in this way so government is doing this things in different field and it will be better if government will put a review mechanism or high level feedback mechanism where people will put or give their feedback which will help to improve the further things or if in about the land issues we can put here digitalization okay if it is about the development of women and development of youth we can put here SHG like women SHG we can put men SHG okay if it is about the farmer suicide we can put in conclusion like giving money is not the solution we can help them for all round development like training we can train them we can give optional job security etc so give a pro approach give a pro approach in just conclusion maintain that okay don't write like the government is doing these things then don't stop it so give your pro view on the conclusion so this will suffice this will add your extra marks so add your extra marks to your answer.
Thank you, ma'am. Regarding the essay part, means how to develop the writing the essay means I think माने आपण भी ए ईयर essay paper देखिथिबे यूपीएससी रो देन मैम जो लेवल क्वेश्चन आथिला देन सेगुडा मैम केमति अप्रोच करा दिबो
Yes. Sorry for the inconvenience actually. हाँ ऐसे पाई जहाँ भी कंटेंट हम जीएस पढ़ेला ही डेवलप हे जो इथरो डायनामिक अलग के फिलोसॉफिकल सबुरा पके छी तो हमें ऐसे प्रिपरेशन टा ठीक सेपरेट करिया को पड़ियो माने हमें वी नीड टू प्रिपेयर फॉर बोथ philosophical and both normal essay तो philosophical तो एटलीस्ट हमें रेडीमेड कंटेंट बनै परिबा कि वुमेन रे कोन स्कीम्स निया हे परुची इंटरनेशनल गोटे एग्जांपल दोची लेट अबाउट women अछि तो women रो प्रॉब्लम्स कोन कंटेम्पररी एरियाज रे कोन डिफरेंट फील्ड रे कोन प्रॉब्लम्स अछि कोन इश्यूज मैन फेस करछन कोन गवर्नमेंट नै छी कोन गवर्नमेंट नै हबो एंशिएंट टाइम रे केमती कंडीशन थिला एबे केमती कंडीशन अछि women कोडी कोडी जाय पहुंची मॉडर्न वुमेन काहा को कहबा इंटरनेशनल रे कोन करि होची कोन डिफरेंट अलगा स्टेट में सऊदी अरब से जो करछन कोन और केस स्टडीज अछि सो सब जिंस हमें गोटे नोट बने फॉर द नॉर्मल टॉपिक फिलोसॉफिकल पाई हमको से जीएस कंटेंट रही तर माने हमको कंटेंट डेवलपमेंट पाई किछ अलगा सोर्स नै एसे पाई तो मैं जीएस तो पढ़ले बेली डेवलपमेंट
सेही पॉइंट जीएस रो पॉइंट गुडा हमें पुट अप करि परिबा इन एसे
जीएस तो स्पेसिफिकली किया आउ हमें स्टिक करिया क्वेश्चन को तो नेगेटिव आंसर्स न देबे ट्राई करिया किंतु एसे रे हमें नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव किछ भी दे परिया किंतु कंक्लूजन टा टिके भलो सुंदर ब्यूटीफुल वे रे करिया तो तमे एसे रो बॉडी माने तमे किछ भी दे परियो किछ माने तमे गवर्नमेंट रो कोन कोर्स कोन लाखना सेरे मेंशन करि परिबो पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव कोन सब किछ मेंशन करियो तो कंटेंट डेवलपमेंट पाई किछ स्पेसिफिक माने तमे प्रिपरेशन नाही तो जीएस टाइप अपाइस ता परे किछि भी बुक्स अछि केस स्टडीज हमें कोठी न्यूज़पेपर किछि हमें न्यूज़पेपर ए स्टेट रे एया कले ठीक अछि ए गवर्नमेंट एया करछि ए आईपीएस ऑफिसर पीपल डेवलपमेंट किछि निजे से सब को हमें जस्ट नोट बना दरकार तो सेटा हमको एसे रे हेल्प करियो तो एसे टा हमें डायनामिक लिखिया दरकार हमें तक इकोनॉमिक connect karo political, social, educational, scientific, different field को connect करके जब लिखिया तो broader field हमको show करियो. और philosophical essay पे जब editorial भी help करियो, different case studies भी help करियो, मैं किसी books भी refer कर परिबा essay ପାଇଁ जोटा कि ମୁଁ list देई तो किसी extra books करी हबो. तो हमको तो essay रे specific preparation କରିବାକୁ पड़े.
Okay. Thank you.
Next we'll go for the mains preparation. Okay, here I want to show how I made note. Okay, this is about revolt of 18. I already mentioned the revolt of 1857 is a chapter in the history syllabus. How here I made a note in just 1 to 2 pages. Okay, revolt of 1857, nature of the revolt. Like Disraeli said, is a national revolt. British record is army revolt and Sipa revolt. In according to read, this is a concept. This is all about the feeling specific questions. Nature of revolt. Then causes there is some political causes are there, some social religious causes are there, some economic causes are there, some military causes are there, some outdoor causes are there. This will help you to revise one day before exam, and these are the result, like political, what are the results. Then some continuation of this, why the revolt failed, centers of revolt and leader. This is really specific questions, and surface of the resistance. This will suffice both of the prelims preparation and mains preparation. I already said that make up integrated preparation from the very first day. Okay. When you just sit for the preparation or when you study the NCERT. For geography, I made this. Okay, resources, class 8 chapter 1, class 10 chapter 1. If you will study, then it will cover your resource chapter. Land, soil, water, natural vegetation, wildlife. If class 6 chapter 8, class 7 chapter 6 and 4, these chapters if you will cover, then this will totally prepare your land, soil, this part of the syllabus. Similarly, this is the 11 total syllabus of your civil service of geography. This will cover this chapters of NCERT. This will cover total of your syllabus. I made this after 2 to 3 after going through NCERT 2 to 3 times. So this will reduce your time. This will reduce the one times NCERT. So you can cover your NCERT by two reading. So in this way I just reduced my workload, reduced my study time, so I can easily and make this notes, so I can easily revise before one day before exam. And the similar things I made for economic syllabus, the national income, these chapters of the NCERT, money market, capital market, time. This covers whole of your economic syllabus. In this way, I made note. This is for the note. Then current affair part. Hindu is just mandatory thing for the civil service preparation. Yeah, active plus daily newspaper analysis. When in my time, I usually put the newspaper reading at end of my day, Hindu paper, and I just played the daily newspaper analysis of active plus. I just comparing both of the things. Editorial things, you sometimes you need difficult, you face difficult in going through the editorial part. So active plus daily newspaper analysis will help you in this. Okay, this will give a sequential things which you can't get from this editorial part of the Hindu. So put daily newspaper analysis and newspaper and cover that part. Then and another thing is analysis of previous year questions is very much important. UPSC 3 to 4 questions are for previous year. So only going through previous year questions and solving this will not suffice. Previous year question, you need to analyze the things. What are the first things? What a question is asking about? You can when one important point, then first make a note and revise from the books. Next option, go to options. In anything, you need to analyze the options. About options is about president, option is about the governor, option is about the prime minister. So revise the president, governor, prime minister chapter side by side. So this will add your also revise your things, and also this will help in analysis of previous year question. And if any questions will come from this previous year question, this is surely you can solve this. Then after your preparation, test series and analysis of the test series is very important, very much important. Give 2 hour test series, then give a one day to analysis of the test series. So if you do things and make a note, and after revise 2 to 3 times, this will surely cross the prelims more out. It's all about the current affair part. This is all about the prelims part. Then mains. In UPSC syllabus, there is qualifying paper, language paper, and English paper. There is English essay. I already said the general studies 4 papers are there. Then GS1, GS2, GS3, and GS4, and optional 1 and optional 2 in UPSC. One optional is there. In OPSC, 2 optionals are there, and each one have 2 papers. This is the main syllabus. GS1 रे आसुची Indian heritage, culture, history, geography, society, etc. तापरे General studies 2 रे आसुची governance, constitution, politics, social justice, international relations. General studies 3 रे आसुची science and tech part, economy development, biodiversity, environment, that I already mentioned about the environmental things. Internal security, disaster management. General studies 4 is about your ethics paper. This is the syllabus of mains. Okay. How we will prepare for the general studies and optionals? First, I already mentioned to Dheeraj, like categorize your previous year question syllabus wise. Like this year questions, what are the questions are coming from this part of the syllabus? This year, what are the questions? This year, what are the questions? This will need to make next year prepare your text, prepare your content theory part. They relate to that previous year question and make a model answers of each of the previous year questions. Refer various sources, like you can refer ActivePlus material, other answers, other tougher answers, internet articles, available note, newspaper articles, editorial, etc. But and incorporate your own creativity and research development and make your own note. Don't rely on others' note. Don't rely on ready-made note. Make your own note and revise that again and again. Make your own model answers and revise that again and again. And for answer writing, write your answers and get it evaluated from the faculties. You can get it evaluated from the ActivePlus, and they will help you in a very good manner. So get it evaluated. If you will not evaluate your paper, you will not know what are the lacuna. The lacuna in your answers. So get it evaluated and try to overcome that lacuna in the next answers. Okay, this will not a one day work. You need to improve in every day. Some part you need to improve in every day. And attend tests. Attend tests is to build up your confidence. If you tell this the new test is I secured this marks, and next time I will try to improve. This will boost your confidence and improve your performance. And add-ons are like ActivePlus material. I would like to say that it's the best ready-made source. Okay, you can refer. You need to refer this, but prepare your own note. ISGAN is also posting daily questions. You refer that and write your answers and put there. They will evaluate this. The daily online evaluation is going on. Daily answer writing and practice and get it evaluated. This is most important. Answer writing is most important for civil service, and get it evaluated. Okay, this is all about if you are selected for in mains, then interview preparation is different thing. You need to improve your personal attitude for the interview, which will they ask. So mains, after mains preparation, if you're confident about I will get through this, then don't stop idle. So prepare for the interview. An interview is about a very personal things. How will come, how will dress up, how will answer, how will handle the situation. They will put you, or they will give different situations and how you can walk in different situations. So these things are there. So I think this will help you in different way. So I want to highlight that thing, like 4 things are important: syllabus, previous year question, your own note and evaluation, and optional. So if you will go properly for all these things, then you will surely you will use time. In my case, take around 4 years, 3 to 4 years. So surely you will get what you have decided, but maintain the consistency. Don't stop in middle. Okay, so maintain that consistency in everything, in every field, whichever field you decide to join, then maintain that consistency. Don't put the things in middle. Don't leave anything in middle. So just go to the end, and surely you will drop. Okay, thank you. If you have any questions, just ask.
Any magazine we have to read?
Okay. Yojana Kurukshetra magazine are there, government magazine. Yojana sources is very helpful. Kurukshetra mainly give a view about different agricultural field and government is doing what are the things. like different social issues, many social issues. Kurukshetra will give about the social issues part, and Yojana is a ready-made source for the essay material. So Yojana's Kurukshetra will comment magazines are there, and also Aptplus magazines are there. Current affair for current affair, Aptplus magazine, iScan magazine, like just ready-made. Like you at the end of the month, you will get a printed or just online format of your ready-made current affair. So you don't, if you skip in just for just 4 to 5 days of a month, then you can revise or complete that part to the iScan magazine. Any questions?
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, during preparation, we should read those are from now. We are now in graduation. We have to start reading from now. That
Start the
all.
preparation. Now this is the best time. Start the preparation, go through the syllabus, and manage the time. First, prepare that in one day. I can give 4 to 5 hours after my academic, and after just how can I productively use that 4 to 5 hours. Make a timetable and start from the very first day. Don't wait for that after my exam. I will prepare. Don't do this. Start from now.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening. Ma'am, my question is, ma'am, what is your point of view regarding, ma'am, some totally different optionals like anthropology, ma'am? In Odisha, it is not in trend like people taking anthropology and doing. So what is your point of view? Like if someone is taking anthropology and preparing through self only or by taking some guidance of any professor or lecturer in anthropology, then what you suggest? Whether it will be good? It is if I belong to medical background and if I am doing anthropology, or it will be better to go for the means normal subjects, whatever people in Odisha they take, like sociology, public administration, like that.
uh, don't go for the trend. I want to highlight that don't go for the trend. In OPSC, I want to say that humanity subject are scoring. If you take the science subject, this will not help for a non-science background. Like my background is not about botany, but I will take botany. Botany marks are not that much scoring. So don't take science subject first and second. Don't go for the trend also. Okay, in my I got rank in 2019. In 2018, agriculture forestry is just highest scorer. In 2019, psychology highest scorer. So agriculture forestry students like 4 to 5 students are there in the total rank. So don't go for the trend. If you go for the syllabus and syllabus, buy books. What are the reference book? Decide that, note out that the books. What are the books required? What are the notes available, how I can make the notes, go through all this. Don't go to the trend, because every year trend is different. So stick to the humanity subject. If a science background is okay, I am from the agriculture background, so I took agriculture. If you are from different background and decided to take that science subject, don't go for this. And anthropology, you said that, so you can go for this anthropology. I can give you some numbers, or I can give you some reference book list. Anthropology, with many of my friends are there, so you can take anthropology, no issues.
Ma'am, I belong to ma'am medical background, and ma'am, my problem is I did research for entire all institute in Bhubaneswar. No institute providing optional as anthropology,
Sure,
and
then
I'm
you
now.
can take online.
Ma'am, I am actually very scaring. I have never means I don't have any background related to anthropology, and on my own, I am doing preparation for anthropology. That too, in OPSC, optional is only
Yes.
1200 mark.
In this
So
case,
one sense of.
I can help. I can give me some time that how many candidates got ranked in anthropology. I will share his or her number, and you can contact him. That what are the strategy for anthropology optional and how they prepared for this.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, please do share, ma'am. It will be a great help
Sure, sure,
actually.
yeah, I will. I will give you the number. I will give you to man, Vansa man. You can take him.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Okay. Thank you, Manasmita. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Audible.
Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Manasmita. Okay, students. I just want to say one thing. I hope I am audible, right?
Yes, ma'am, it's audible.
Ma'am, give me some time. There is some chat messages, so I want to.
Okay, fine. You just check it first, then reply to them.
Okay,
Okay.
Nibil
Then I
Prasad
will
is
see.
there. Like, ma'am, don't you think OS should change its exam pattern of taking 2 optionals to match with UPSC? Yes, I think so, because UPSC OPSC preparation should lie just go congregantly. No, in this case, UPSC preparation is different and OPSC preparation is same, but the demand of exam is different. So if that is if they change two optionals to one optional, it will help us many of candidates. So but now it is two optional, so we should be well prepared for this. Next is optional, how to choose optionals, ma'am. For essay, what methods do follow? Okay, for essay, I already mentioned, like GS, while going through the newspaper, while going through the GS subjects, you need to prepare essay notes side by side. And there is no specific books, like which are the books we refer, but GS preparation will suffice to the essay preparation also. But essay preparation, you have to write the essay and get it evaluated. Okay, essay preparation is one thing, but like GS writing, GS answer writing, you need to write also essays. What do you think? Can we clear? Yes. OPSC in one go is just possible, because I already I already said many of our friends and many of our junior OPSC is not difficult. I just the 3 years experience mine to in my case I felt into water because of my optional selection. Botany is not scoring at all. But last time I changed my optional and got the rank. So PSC, prepare well, stick to syllabus, cover your syllabus properly. You can just clear OPSC. Because 392 post, 405 post is just bulk post. So in our case, only 150 post, you can clear in just one go. I want to highlight this. You one go, you can get a very good rank. Optional selection is all about is depend on you, that you need to consider different point, like what is make a, if you're from the non-science background, select a humanities subject optional, and what are the optional notes available, what are the how I can cover the syllabus. All these things you need to consider. I'm thinking about forestry as optional for OPSC. Yes, forestry is good. But you need to cover the syllabus. Some dynamic questions are also coming, so you need to prepare for also that. I already said that Morning Content book will suffice for all of your syllabus. Some parts are there which you need to make from the internet. Start answer writing from the very first date and get it evaluated. Don't wait that after let me cover the prelim syllabus, let me cover the main syllabus, then I will write the answer. Don't do this. Start from the very first day. Very first one, after 1 to 2 months, when you are just well versed with the syllabus and what are the questions are coming in mains, then start preparation and evaluate. Evaluation is very much important. Otherwise, you can't know what are the lacuna in your answers and how I can improve in the next part. Some advice on home science. Sociology optional, many of my friends are there. I can say a number. For sociology, I don't have the knowledge, so you can get from my friends because they have optionals. Who is the best person for answer evaluation? If your Aptitude is just giving you just free evaluations and best evaluations. In our time, I put answers, and at the end of the day, they get end of the day or 2 days, they get evaluated and send answers personally. So, and their personal call is there, personal message is there. What are the points you need to improve this? So yes, I'm answer evaluation is just, and after some time, you also know the what are the, you can evaluate an answer by own also. After just 6 to 7 months or 1 year, you also know this is the question and how can I give justice to the questions in answers. So this is the question and what answers should contain this introduction, so the introduction, the body, what are the points, conclusion, how I can give just pro people approach, give a pro people approach. So after just 1 year or 6 to 7 month preparation, you also know that how, what is the what is the best answer. So after this answer, Aptplus is just giving a very good platform for answer evaluation. Okay, any other questions? Please share your contacts. Okay, I will share that. Okay, madam, I will share to madam. Madam will give. Any other question? How to cover all questions in respective time, both GS and optional. First, start from the GS preparation. Go through the optional, arrange the books, arrange your model answers, etc. Then in a day, if you are ready to give around 6 to 7 hours, okay, give for the 2 to 3 hour minimum for the optional and rest time for the GS. Similarly, manage your time. Optional as much important. GS and optional both are important. So divide your day and by this. So don't neglect any of this. If you think that I will give my best in my option because these are my papers, and I will give just okay type in GS, this will not give you justice to preparation. So give both equal importance to both GS and optional. What is your take on importance of coaching in OPSC preparation? Is coaching is important if you want to self study and where was your, like, coaching will help you to prepare a base. Okay, after 2017 when I started preparation, I didn't have that much knowledge about the preparation, so Aptplus helped me a lot regarding my strengthening my foundation for the preparation. So not mandatory, but OPSC will, what coaching will help you, will just help you as a philosopher, like we say, a friend and philosopher in preparation. So you join or not, this is your totally your own take. But if you join, this will help. This will help you. This will help in different field. This will reduce your preparation state. So if you are well with this, then join this. I want to say that I join this. But if you're not joining any coaching for preparation, but join for test series. This is very important. Test series is very important. I just putting my view on this on last note that test series is very important. Evaluation is very important. If you sit in a room and giving papers, it will not give you justice to preparation. So test series is very important. Evaluation, get it evaluated. Any more questions? Thank you, all of you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam.
Okay, students, thank you. First of all, thank you so much to Miss Manasmita. And now I'm just telling you, we are just passing through a very difficult phases of our life, and hope we'll cover up within the this situation very soon. Okay, and regarding the test series and regarding your preparation, if any query, then you can contact to us directly, like by WhatsApp, yeah, by mail, by call, whatever. Yeah, you can call to us directly. Okay. Yeah, hello. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Audible.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much. And so now the session is going to be closed. Thank you so much for your valuable time and attention. Have an amazing time ahead. Thank you so much, students. If any doubt, you can contact us directly. Okay. And one more point, just I am telling you the last, this preparation is not like your civil service, like not IS and OS. This preparation it will be help to your any competitive exam. So just keep your mind, is not like IS and OS also, because here in the general studies nowadays, for this preparation, general studies is very, very important for the competitive exam. So it will be help you for the other competitive exam also. Okay, so thank you so much. Good night to all.